thought I'd bring you along on this morning's run. It's not a lovely day. It's grey and rainy, but the rain isn't horizontal, so it's not the worst I've suffered. So I'm just going up Row Hill, and then I'll have a look, see where all the cows are, and decide which way to go. Right, into the woods. Okay, so the cows are being moved from one field to another, right in the way of where I want to go, so I shall avoid that traffic jam and go through the other woods here, down and then up again. More climbing, but that's okay. I can walk it, take it easy. There's no rush. It's not a race. Bit blowy, one or two crows struggling. So now a bit of down before heading back up, and I'll go up along the Cotswold way for a little bit and then take an alternative path to get to the top of Maiden Hill. When the slope goes up, the speed goes down. Okay, so I was on the Cotswold Way, then I left the Cotswold Way, and I'm about to rejoin the Cotswold Way, and then I'll leave it again, and then I'll head up and I'll go past the Cotswold Way. So there you are, those are the directions. If in doubt, use the clouds to navigate. Normally I'd want to be running up these hills, but just walking up just to keep things reasonably easy. Try and keep my heart rate in the aerobic zone. There will come a time when I can run up that hill, but not just yet. Patience. Patience is key. Right. Decisions. I've got to choose which way to go. Cotswold Way update. I'm very, very near it. And now I'm going away from it. Fun running down this bit, but it can be tricky. And now one of my favourite bits, which is a mountain bike trail, as far as I can tell rarely used by mountain bikers, but I really enjoy it. going back down again so I can go back up. So this is a track going down to a farm, quite stony. And now I'll disappear into the woods again and go at something covered in leaves and looking lovely. Not far from the top now, and then I shall head back home. I shall no doubt go back up over Dove Row. Oh, gorgeous colours. I think I've been lucky with the weather. I'm not cold. It's raining, but it's not too heavy. And everywhere looks so lovely. And the colours are so wonderful. It's a joy to be out. Right. Time to head back for 11's, I think. Bye for now.